In the year 2135, humanity stood on the precipice of a technological revolution, one that would forever change the way people interacted with their world. This revolution was not born from the groundbreaking discoveries of a lone genius, but rather it was the culmination of centuries of scientific advancement. This is the story of augmented reality, a technology that would blur the lines between the digital and the physical. In the late 21st century, virtual reality had become a common part of everyday life. People could immerse themselves in simulated worlds, escaping the monotony of their daily routines. However, the limitations of virtual reality became increasingly apparent. It was a world separate from the real one, a world that lacked the richness and complexity of the natural world. This is where augmented reality stepped into the limelight. The first augmented reality device was unveiled in 2092, a pair of glasses that overlaid digital information onto the real world. The technology was met with skepticism, with many questioning its practicality and its impact on humanity. Yet, the potential was undeniable. As the technology advanced, it quickly became clear that augmented reality had the power to revolutionize education, work, and even social interactions. Students could learn history by walking through a virtual recreation of ancient Rome. Scientists could visualize complex data in 3D, and artists could paint with light in the air. However, with this newfound power came a crisis. The line between the digital and the physical world began to blur, and with it, the line between reality and fantasy. People started to rely on their augmented reality devices to such an extent that they lost touch with the real world. The world became a mere backdrop for their digital lives. This crisis was met with a call for action. Governments and tech companies came together to create regulations that balanced the benefits of augmented reality with its potential dangers. They established guidelines for responsible usage, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a connection with the real world. The consequences of these actions were far-reaching. Augmented reality continued to advance, but it did so in a way that enriched the lives of people without alienating them from their surroundings. The technology became a tool for exploration, for learning, and for creativity, rather than a means of escape. Augmented reality, once a controversial technology, had found its place in the world. It was a testament to humanity's ingenuity, a reminder of our potential to shape the world around us, and a warning of the dangers that come with such power. In the end, it was a tool that could either bring us closer together or drive us further apart, a choice that was left to the people who wielded it. In the year 2135, augmented reality stood at the dawn of a new era, a future where the digital and the physical world melded together, offering infinite possibilities. But it was a future that required careful navigation, a future that required us to remember that the real world was just as important as the digital one. And so, the age of augmented reality began, a new chapter in human history waiting to be written.